Good morning everybody, Marla from Impress Computers, and today we have another custom build. So he had it on a different computer and then he tried to reassemble it on a brand new case with new components. So if you can take a look closer, he pretty much used everything that was before. He swapped the power supply, RAM, motherboard, etc. And then the first thing that you can see, the RAM is not fitted in properly. The cables are all over the place. It's got a lot of dust. And even the IO shield from the motherboard, it's hanging. So this is not good. He booked it in. He wasn't turning it on at all. So we don't know if something shorted out along the way when he was building it, or if it's just a simple cable and we have to probably rebuild it. So we're going to go through the steps and then we'll come back and show you guys what was wrong with it. All right, guys. So we are back. And it looks like the RAM, one of the sticks was bad. And he probably tried to force it and it's chopped off a little bit so it doesn't detect it. Right now we got it to boot. We did cable management. We did a blow and clean and everything's running properly, as you can tell. That's a nice RGB stick, but sadly one of them is faulty, so he's gonna have to replace it. He's got 2 solid states and a spinning hard drive. Everything's running good so far. So one of the things that you have to do when you do a custom build is test every single component if something's not failing. So if you don't know what you're doing, we can always help you. So if you have any questions, leave your comments down below or give us a call at 281-647-9977. Thank you.